If you're still having a hard time going to places around Japan, finding the stuff you need to buy, or looking for some restaurants to try, you don't really have to go too far. There are lots of great things that you can check out just 10 minutes away from your nearest station, and I'm gonna share some. Of course, convenience stores will always be around, whether inside or outside. You can also find a supermarket since lots of Japanese people buy groceries after work. There are several drugstores around, and I highly recommend visiting one. Japanese drugstores are amazing. See it for yourself. Parking lots and waiting areas are available too. If you're planning to rent an apartment near the station to save more time and energy, you'll definitely have several choices, although the rental fee could be a lot higher than those far from the station. If you're just staying for a few days or weeks in Japan, there are hotels too, although again, the daily rate could be higher. Different kinds of restaurants, izakayas, and cafes will always be present. No need to go too far to satisfy your hunger or look for the food you want to try. Police stations and post offices can be found nearby too. And in bigger stations, you'll see electronic shops, electrical and home appliance shops, and even shopping malls.